म्हाका सांग Bombay, IIT Bombay. I've heard the name, I saw the pictures. Work with म्हणजे एक essence असलो, aura असलो places. How was
Oh
it?
my god. Super packed, crowded, so many people, like so many people. It's a huge, what is it, campus. म्हाका खबर नासलें खंय वचपा तें. हांव थिंगा ऑटो सोदता बाबा थिंग पावय रे म्हणून. ऑटो मेळना मागीर चलत गेलो. The coordinator was like calling me, where are you? I'm like, I'm lost here. How to go, where to go? Like there's no auto and all. Bike pasand na thinger. So then I started walking, like exploring and all. A lot of people were like, I remembered my college days. And then I saw some artists were performing. Go to see, it was Jason was performing that day. On the stage.
Like a long खबर ना. Jason, you know who is Jason? His Down song, my favorite. It was like in top 1, number 1 list.
Yeah, Lil Wayne.
Yeah, Lil Wayne. It was a number 1 for almost 3-4 weeks. Billboardचे त्यांना कळले आता आयज तू तेका पळयता फाल्यां तू परफॉर्म करतलो आणि आमी म्हणटले वा आमचो गोंयकार कळ्ळें मरे.
That's the dream.
And it will come true, sure.